Hi, welcome back. I'm Jerry with Sky Management. We've got an interesting story for you. If you're in the property management business or you have a secured building, this is definitely something you're going to want to know about. It's called Amazon's Key to Business. An Amazon representative approached us today with something I hadn't heard of. Now, granted, we live in the Midwest, so we're kind of last to get some of this information. But he approached us, and I have verified the information online through Amazon, and it's a legit deal. That Amazon will come install these little contactless readers that allow their drivers to gain access to your secured buildings without having to bother you. Now for us, this is huge. I'm bothered daily by every different Amazon driver, and there are dozens around our area, and there's maybe hundreds around yours, that deliver packages, almost seems like 24 hours a day. And they're constantly calling me, asking me, how do I get into the building? How can you unlock the door for me? I've got to deliver a package for a resident. And I don't know these people from Adam. Well, this system allows us to go ahead and place these at no expense to us by each individual secured building reader so that the driver can gain access. They do not know the code, but they will be able to, using an app on their phone, contact Amazon instantaneously using GPS and their coordinates and gain access to the building. Now, in the matter of the last 30 minutes, we've had this representative came and approached us with this idea. We've reviewed it. I said, okay, if there's no expense to us. I've received a welcome call directly from DLVR, which is a company that's authorized to install this product. Seemed very nice. Verified them online. They're a legitimate company. I now got a call from their installer. They're coming over right now. She claims they can do all 5 of our buildings within the matter of a handful of minutes. And if that is in fact the case, this is going to be the most seamless, easiest, painless installation I've ever seen. So literally 10 minutes after I filmed this last thing, the gal shows up. Very pleasant, very personable, has all the equipment. She asked what type of box do we have? Is it a call type box or fob type system? Ours is an older style call type box that you push button to get access. So because of that, you have to have access to the control room, which ours looks like this because we've been doing some remodeling. And basically they're going to connect onto these 2 pieces here, allow it to kill the mag lock, and they will geotag a location for the front door to the building. So that way, whenever a Amazon driver who has this specific app comes into the entryway here, one of our entryways next to a push button call area, it's geotagged to automatically kill the maglock system that will unlock the door so they have the ability to gain access. It's really pretty ingenious. Don't let an older property keep you from doing it. We got a building we've owned over 30 years. It's got a 40-year-old panel. I said there's no way that this new technology would ever work. The guy came in less than 5 minutes, installed it behind our panel, powered up right there, put a little sticker on the front of it there, so that even this old panel there gives drivers access. So when they come in here, as soon as they enter the building with their package, it will automatically trigger the mag lock to unlock so they have access to the building. That process was super simple. And I mean, I could not have asked for a better installer and a better company to do this. We are not being paid by this company to do this. This is strictly helping us out. Absolutely loving it. I will refer you to check out Amazon's page to make sure that your system actually will be able to work. Ours is able to work here at this particular property, but apparently there are some that do not. I had a big concern that some of the drivers would be able to regain access whenever they wanted, and they assure us that no, only when they scan the package and are at the front door do they have access, and even if they leave, they no longer even have access to come back in. They don't get access codes, so they can't come back off shift or do anything else to your property, so that made me feel good that we weren't constantly giving out different codes, having to change codes, so that worked out really well. I would certainly give them a call. You can check them out on Amazon.com. It's the Amazon Key to Business. And I hope this video has helped you make your decision on whether this product will help you.